So welcome to this afternoon's walking tour. So I'm just going to walk you through the hotel, but we're going to start off here at the Bamboo Beach Bar. So if you want to chill out between the pool and the sea, this is the place to start your day. It's quite a pleasant place. We've got a pizza thing going on here straight away, and we have the Italian Pavilion and bar here as well. So it's not a room review of the resort, it's just a walkthrough to give people an idea what it looks like. Hello there. Hello. Okay. Hey. The staff here are very, very friendly. So I've just dropped my friend off here at the bar. He's having himself a nice ice cold Coca-Cola. We have we'll walk through and check the place out. If you like these walking video types of content, please do like and subscribe. It's completely free to subscribe, and if you know anyone who's staying here, feel free to share the video. It just gives them an idea of what the resort looks like now and exactly what they're paying for. We've got kids area here. Plenty of sun lounges, plenty of shade. We've got parasols on the pool here, so you can get a bit of shade. So this looks like the kids area. We've got bikes over here, so we've got bike hire. The resort is sat on the beach here at the front, as you can see. We're going to go over to the adult side now, walk you through this area, and we'll just have a quick mooch around and give you a feel for the place. We've got loads of sun lounges going on over there on the beach, so plenty of seating at the bar as well. We've got a sunken bar here. You've got your sea view accommodation here at the front. A huge big free-form pool. So lounges come with nice thick cushions. Now, it's not over sunny now, but there's very little shade here. So if you're prone to getting a little sunburn. Oh, have you seen that? The guy's delivering the drinks on his roller skates. Yeah, so there's not a lot of shade here. So if you are prone to a little bit of sunburn, make sure you've got your cream on. Otherwise you're going to be burning here. So it's a little bit overcast today, so but the sun is still very, very strong in Bali. Okay, let's check out the rest of the grounds. As you can see, we've got ample seating here. It's quite a lot. People chilling out, getting the drinks at the bar. Let's have a quick walk on the grounds. We're filming at the moment in the 7th of May 2025. So if you are considering booking here and you want to know what it looks like this time of year, how busy it is, just gives you an overall impression of the property. Yeah, let's walk through this way. So we're at the back of the children's pool area now. The pool's open from 7 in the morning until 7 o'clock at night. You've got your spa, day trips, activities you can do. This is going to be probably set up for the evening, for any shows that are going on, or any stalls that will be setting up, selling souvenirs and knickknacks, drinks in the evening. Now another restaurant here, Indonesian cuisine. Obviously, it doesn't look like it's open at the moment. Nice little chill bar area in the shade, nice and cool. All these rooms are also sea facing, but you're slightly away from the ocean here. It's not a massive amount of shade here. Just been to the Cure next door, and there seems to be a lot more shade at that resort. So if you're a little bit fair skinned like myself, there's not a lot of escape from the sunshine, so you need to be grabbing yourself an umbrella. Thank you. Oh, that's lovely and cool. Nice big reception area. You got your lift to the it's up to 4 floors here. Hello. And I'll just take you to the front of the resort, show what it looks like. Hello there. Hey. Posing, yeah. The Indonesians are such a nice people. Been travelling now to Bali for about 10 years. And with the Thais and the Indonesians, they are such nice people. Nice big open area here. Parking and security. And I'll just spin you around and give you an overview of the front of the hotel. Okay, so that pretty much concludes the tour. It just gives you an overview. It's not a room review or anything, but if you are staying here, you want to know what it looks like this time of year, what it looks like at the moment, this is it. Okay, if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. If you know anyone who's coming, want to share the video, please do. If you've got any recommendations in the area, trips to go on, the best rooms at this hotel, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.